This is the one of the activities of class 5th English in the lesson kabaddi kabaddi kabaddi. Let's go to the activity. This is the activity. This is a crossword puzzle. They gave pictures to fill up these puzzle. We use the pictures as clues to. These are the clues across and down. You should follow these clues to fill up the puzzle. First one is first one is hockey. Second one is boxing. Third one is skating. Fourth one is basketball. Fifth one is skipping. These are across. We should write horizontally according to the numbers given. Then down. First one is, which means A is tennis, B is cycling, C is football, D is skiing. These are the clues we have to use to fill up the puzzle. First A is tennis, TENNIS. Second is boxing, BOXING, boxing. One is hockey, across word is hockey, and B downward is cycling. Then third word is skating. Then fourth word is basketball. Basket, BASKET, BALL, basketball. This is skiing. This is this is skipping. This is the word skipping. So this is the puzzle. Across words are like this, down words are like this, across words are like this. Hockey, cycling, football, skating, boxing, tennis. This is grammar part. Let's revisit the following sentences from the reading text. A small space with an even surface is just enough to play the game. Therefore, the game can be played easily everywhere. We use some words or group of words to connect one sentence or idea with another. The underlined word performs some functions, and this is called a linker. Here, in this grammar part, we'll learn linkers. A few linkers are given below. Here function and linkers. This is a table of function and linkers. Example. For this example, if we want to say example, we should link for example such as. While talking about example, we should use for example such as, like this. These are linkers. If we want to say example for anything, we should add these linkers. For example such as similarity, same. At the same time, we use, if any two are same, we use similarity in the same way. And similarly, the characters of any two things or more things, we should use in the same way or similarity. These are linkers. Difference we should use but although, because difference we use difference
function. For this function we use but and although. If we do not like one thing but we can continue the thing as well, is we use but although. Time time for the time function time, at the same time after that we should link these words to the function time. And addition and as well as, here we use as well as to add the quality or thing, that same thing to the first thing. We should use as well as. Same similarities are there, if there is same similarities we use and we add as well as. Like this we use function and linkers.
Have to fill up these sentences by using these linkers. Read the following sentences and fill in the blanks with appropriate linkers from the box given below, as well as in the same way, such as, at the same time, although. In this garden you will see many type of flowers dash rose and jasmine. These are flowers and these are also flowers, so we should write here such as. Why? Because we have the table here. If we are discussing about examples, we use the linker such as, like that. We have to write here such as. Second one is dash, it's loud and crowded, I love concerts. Here there is some disturbance, but he loves the program or the thing. That's why we use here. Although difference, there is some difference, but he loves the concert, that's why we use although. We use although, the hint although. Here we have to write here although. Although it's loud and crowded, I love concerts. Leaves of the tamarind can also be cooked and eaten dash as spinach. These are tamarind and leaves are same vegetable. Spinach is also leafy vegetable. Those are same. If there is same things discussed here, we write similarity is there. That's why the linker is in the same way and similarly. Here the hint is in the same way. In the same way. That's why we should write here in the same way. This is the answer. She eats apple dash oranges. She eats apple and also oranges. That's why we add apples to oranges. That's why we have to write as well as or and. Here we have as well as the hint. So that's why we write here as well as. She eats apple as well as orange. We are using up our natural resources and dash polluting our environment with dangerous chemicals. We are using natural resources and also polluting our environment with the dangerous chemicals. We are using and also we are polluting. So time, at the same time. Here the hint is at the same time. This is the answer. Both are we are doing. That's why at the same time. We are using our nature and also.
So these are the linkers we use in these sentences. This is the one of the activities. And also we should write here by using linkers. Identify and underline the linkers in the sentences and match them with the functions they perform. The students were asked to dress similarly for the sports day. Similarly, so we should write here similarity. Here is the answer is C. 10 seconds after that, I was happily bouncing up and down. Here he mentioned time. That's why here we have to write here E. He is fond of learning karate, but his father did not encourage him. Here, negativity, difference is there. That's why contrast. She likes to play football and volleyball. Here, addition. In additionally, she likes football and volleyball. Both she likes. So here, A. There are so many team sports. For example, Kho, cricket, football, etc. Here, example B. CEDEAB. These are the activities in this lesson, 5th class Kabaddi Kabaddi. Thank you.